she's running. Motherfucker. What's up, guys? If you guys watched that beginning video, I'm sure you realized there's something wrong with the 88. It's leaking gasoline. It appears to be a fuel line from the fuel filter, which is in the engine bay, up to the throttle body. It doesn't seem like it's going to be too hard to fix, but I'm going to take you guys along while I fix it and while I figure out what's wrong with it. What do you say we get started? So get out my handy dandy light that likes to flicker. Alright, let's see here. So there's a line there coming off of the fuel filter. This wire for the O2 sensor is just kind of hanging out. So we're gonna take care of that too while we're in here. We got to get that fuel filter off, and the line comes up and over, and it looks like there's a rubber hose right there. Right here is where it looks like it was leaking. I bet that's leaked before because it looks like that is not a factory rubber hose. I'm pretty sure this is not how it was ran from the factory. This engine's been replaced at one time. I didn't do that install because this is kind of a hokey install, but we'll just get it so it works. It's worked up till now. Let's hop to it. We're gonna go ahead and get the fuel filter out, and part of this line, I'm just going to disconnect the line from the rubber right here. That line I'm just going to keep in there because it goes up underneath the intake and I don't feel like digging that out. So we'll disconnect it here and then take the fuel filter out because we're going to replace that fuel filter because I'm sure it could use to be replaced. Looks like it might be older than dirt. Let's get that all taken care of. We might have to go buy a new piece of rubber hose too. So let's hop to it. So we got it out. To keep this length of hose line here, we're going to replace this rubber hose. I'm going to inspect that line up there, make sure it doesn't have a hole in it, but I'm pretty sure it was just this rubber hose that was leaking, and this thing's leaking gas all over the place. But also, for you guys doing this at home, if you're ever doing a fuel filter on one of these, 13/16 wrench, 5/8 wrench. Always use a pipe wrench. Alright, so we'll get this off of here. And then I'm going to run to the auto parts store, grab me a piece of rubber hose and a fuel filter. Just got back from the hardware store, picked up some clamps, a new fuel filter, and a new piece of hose. I went with the Wix flavor. We're going to go ahead, get the other line put on the fuel filter, snake it in, and then get it all buttoned up. And then hopefully this thing doesn't leak. Hopefully that line doesn't have a crack in it or something stupid. So we'll get this all done, and yeah, get her fired up. So we got this thing all put back together. We're going to fire it up and see what happens, see if this thing leaks or not. It doesn't help that the battery's a little dead. We run in the house real quick, grab a jump box. Alright, took this jump box up. She runs again. So yeah, that was a pretty simple fix. All I really got left is to do an oil change and then take this thing up and get it washed, and then we'll be all set. We can start driving this thing again, because I haven't driven this thing in about 2 months with my hand being messed up and this thing being broken. That's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in to the Whitewall Steve Good Enough Garage.